All right. So next to the Czech Dot Industrial Complex, you've got the legal fantasy cosplay, like cable news likes to feed us with all these lawyers and former prosecutors being very much by the book in tantalizing justice, which will never come. And so if you want to know what Cy Vance's reelection strategy is for Manhattan DA, remember there's a big old Democratic primary coming up this June. And there was speculation that he might not be running again because his fundraising numbers were so low. Well, the reality is that Cy Vance has to call just a handful of people, and suddenly he has a war chest overnight. And he's got the advantage of being an incumbent. And plus, he's teasing us with all this justice, despite his abysmal track record and being very much part of the problem. So we just want to remind everybody not to give your hopes up and not to put your faith in Cy Vance ever. Instead, put your faith in yourselves, put your faith in grassroots power, put your faith in the work we have done, that we are standing on in terms of protecting our democracy and little by little bringing it back. It's not that we don't have power. That's not the issue. What we're all frustrated by is how hard we have to work and how we have to remain vigilant for our own protection and the protection of our families and our future. But that's just the reality that we're in right now. We've been on autopilot for far too long, and we've paid the price for it with a President Donald Trump in the White House with Ivanka and Jared. That's the price of civic autopilot. Democracy is a lifestyle. That is the opening statement of the Gaslit Nation Action Guide, and we encourage everyone to go check it out on gaslitnationpod.com. An important item on that list is make art.